Welcome to week 9, the second week of case competitions here at CBS. This week, the spring seems to have arrived, which is absolutely perfect because today is all about social.
Last week, Team Spectre from Singapore won the 12th and final spot for this week's invitational competition. Right now, we're on our way out on a boat where we'll be doing some sightseeing around Copenhagen with the 12 teams.
Later today, everyone will be heading to the welcome dinner at Carlsberg where parts of the royal family, as well as some ministers will attend. So we're really looking forward to it and we'll be there to document everything.
It's going to be fun.
Let's get on the boat.
Let's go.
Down the previous palace. King Jensen towers from
I think one of the best parts of competing is that you just can enjoy kind of the environment with the people. The whole process is super fun. Case is one thing, right? And it does have a lot of fun things too, but it's like the whole just building up of the process. I think that's like the most magical part for me, at least.
Well, I think one of the best things is kind of getting to explore all the different places and meeting people from different universities. So, for example, in CBS it's pretty diverse. There's a lot of teams and we're getting to know them, which is pretty cool.
We are enjoying it a lot because it's really great about the people, food, about the culture, everything. We had the opportunity to explore the city for 4 days and this is amazing, everything. From your faculty to the places that we've been through those 5 days, and we are having fun really.
From some of the other teams that case competition is all about being good at PowerPoint, is that true?
Who said that?
I won't really disclose my sources, but I have a source.
It's actually not only about PowerPoint but also your Excel skills, because you also need finance, right? And also your critical thinking and your analytical skills, and of course to be there for this competition.
So Microsoft Office basically.
Yeah. Plus to be there.
The actual case competition itself, is it just about being good at PowerPoint or what is it?
It's not just, PowerPoint is kind of it, but there's a lot of other things that goes behind it, and I think empathy is a very big part of casing effectively.
We just arrived at the formal welcome dinner for all the partners, the contestants, as well as parts of the royal family.
His Royal Highness Prince Joachim of Denmark and Her Royal Highness Prince Marie of Denmark will be joining us tonight.
It's such a beautiful venue here tonight at Carlsberg, so we're in for an absolute fun night.
Definitely.
It's my first time meeting a royalty, so I think even though it's my first time in Denmark as well, I think it's a good chance for me to see what's in the city.
We're happy and proud that we're able to meet them, and we hope we don't disappoint.
And we are very excited and we are very proud that we had a privilege to meet them in person. So we can wait for this evening to start.
We will be on our best behavior.
I think we're all really super excited, and it's really a great honor to be able to meet him as well. Because we're all the way from Australia, and so just meeting him is a once in a lifetime pleasure.
Are you all calm and collected for the big event on Friday?
Pretty calm and collected, but I think the biggest thing for us is CBS is we find as global social in some of the competitions have been to. Keep getting messages from people back home wondering when the case is actually going to start. But it's good to be able to actually do something extra, even like meeting the principals.
Phyllis, thank you for taking the time. What kind of connection do you see between the case competition here at CBS and the future deciding ahead of the contestants?
I think, there are two interesting parts of this, right? It's the organizing committee and then there's the participants. For the participants, then, what they have to do here is they have to understand a complex problem in a given situation and try to come up with a hypothesis on a solution within 36 hours. That's exactly how the world is moving, right? Because we are facing, it's getting more and more complex and we need to solve things faster and faster. And also dare to make a stand and saying, we think this is the right solution, even though we don't know for certainty, then have the guts to try it out. So that's the dimension for the participants. For the students here at CBS, then participating in organizing this is just a lifetime experience in terms of trying something very, very extreme in during a year of study. And I love this student activism on actually taking responsibility for your own education.
So it pays off to be a little bit bold. That will serve you perfectly.
100%, because also what they're learning from pitching is that they're learning to pitch, right?
Yeah.
And they learn to sell their ideas and sell themselves, right? And no matter what they start doing, right? If it's purpose-driven in an NGO or it's hardcore job at McKinsey, right? The skill of pitching and selling, right? ABC, always be closing, right?
Yeah.
That skill you'll always need that skill, and that's also what they're learning by participating in this competition.
So there's a bright future ahead of these guys.
I don't know.
Hopefully.
I cannot guarantee them that. But hey, it's election year. Yes, they have a bright future. I promise them that.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for taking the time.